Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best payability plan for daily payouts. When you're running an e-commerce business on platforms like Amazon or Walmart, the biggest killer of growth is often waiting 2 weeks or more for your platform payouts. I've been there. You make a big sale, but the cash is tied up and you can't buy more inventory to keep the momentum going. That's why daily payouts from a service like Payability becomes so critical. I've used Payability specifically for that cash flow solution. And if your goal is purely daily payouts to keep your inventory cycles tight, the plan you want is instant access. Why instant access is the daily payout winner? Instant access is Payability's dedicated daily payment product. Here's what it means in simple terms, based on my own experience. Next day payouts. Every morning, you get up to 80% of your prior day's marketplace earnings advanced to you. You don't wait for the marketplace's 14-day cycle. That daily influx of cash is a game changer for covering expenses and reordering stock. How the money moves. They deposit the funds directly into your Payability account, and I recommend using their Payability seller card. Using the card is the fastest way to access and spend those funds, often instantly, even on weekends and holidays. The cost? This isn't a loan. It's a purchase of your receivables. They charge a flat fee, usually around 2% of your gross sales for the period. Yes, that fee is applied to your gross sales, not net. So you need to factor that into your margins. It's a cost of doing business. But for me, the ability to buy inventory sooner and capture more sales made the cost worth it. The 20% hold, you get 80% daily. The remaining 20% is held as a reserve to cover potential returns or chargebacks. That 20% gets released to you once the marketplace pays Payability the full amount, typically on your regular payout schedule. A note on instant advance. Payability also offers instant advance, but this is different. It's a lump sum of capital, like a merchant cash advance, that you pay back with a fixed percentage of your daily sales over time. While it's great for a big one-time investment, like buying a huge batch of inventory or launching a new product line, it's not the daily payout solution. You use it for growth capital, not for routine, daily cash flow. For straightforward, consistent, day-to-day cash flow management, instant access is a clear answer. It solves the e-commerce cash flow problem by bridging the gap between sales and those long marketplace payout delays. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.